So it is 7:19 na, and I am making breakfast. So I don't know what's happening outside, but nag-i-snow na naman po tayo. So yeah. And like I said last night, 2-hour delay sila today. So yeah. So we'll see what happened.
What hour delay?
2-hour delay.
Again?
Yeah. Hey, you should be like, oh yay, 2-hour delay.
I mean, I love 2-hour delays.
Not like again. Maka-again ka.
I mean, oh yeah, Mom.
Yeah.
Yesterday and today we will be having a substitute.
Oh really?
Yeah, is sick.
Oh.
And she said something at a random time. She's gonna leave, and we know it's after lunch.
Labas ko na siya kagabi para hindi
It's
matigas.
after
Matigas pa
lunch.
din pala.
It would be after lunch because she has to leave.
Okay.
It's in a prison.
Oh my gosh. So ayan, yes. I'm making sausage eggs.
And Mom also got these.
Who?
You.
You said Momo.
Whoops. Hazelnut cream cookies. Delicious.
You went. So maggagawa lang ako ng breakfast, guys.
Are you cooking eggs for me?
Yes. Yes. But it's sausage eggs.
Are you special for me to make some eggs for you?
I love my favorite
What's your favorite?
sausage eggs.
You do.
Can I say hi?
Yeah.
Hi.
Oh, hold on.
Hi.
Say hi, yes.
Hi guys.
I'm not gonna drop you.
Mommy, when is it turn to sausage eggs?
No, not yet. Madali eh. So guys, I made them a hot chocolate by sa stove ko siya ininit. Ang sarap niya. Oh my gosh, tapos nilagyan ko siya ng chocolate. Ito siya yung gamit ko, Nesquik. Tapos nilagyan ko siya ng Hershey bar na chocolate. Oh my gosh, ang sarap! Oh my god, tingnan mo yan, oh. Si Rick Caleb kasi lagi siya nag-request nito. Eh, kaya ayan. Bigyan natin. Kumakain na sila.
No, like the food.
Oh, you want more food?
Yeah.
So guys, ito ang lunch ni Troy. So meron siyang pear. Jam. Yan lang yung gusto niya. Jam lang daw. Walang peanut butter. And then Christmas. And then, yan pa rito. Tapos, ayan, fruit. Ito naman kay Kuya Caleb. Jam din ang gusto niya. Drink. Orange. And then Christmas tree. And yogurt. Ayan, same thing with Kuya Chad. Ayan. Kay Kuya Chad is ham. Ayan, pare-parehas lang sila. And then drink. Ito yung drink ni Troy. So, ayan. Ready na for, dahil anong hours na? 8:13 na and nagmamadali na tayo. Oh my gosh. Alright. Ayan, alis na kami, guys. Alright, come on, let's go. Because I said so.
And I can't even find my phone.
Ayan, nag-i-snow, guys. Ba, nangunguna si ate girl ngayon. Nag-i-snow. Wait. Let me get a picture. Stand right there.
We said no.
Yeah, that's not hurry.
You
Yes.
said that we were rushing.
Well, I have a little bit time. Dito na kami sa bus stop and it's snowing, guys. It's snowing, snowing, snowing.
Let it snow.
Let it snow, let it snow, Troy.
For you in our house. I don't want to play with
So it's 8:33.
How cold is it?
It is 19 degrees right there. 19 degrees.
Use a window.
No,
Oh my, it's
right there. 19.
fog. That's how hot the car is.
Cold. Yeah, the bus is here. Alright, let's go.
Finally!
Ayun na sila.
I can sit here.
You finally can sit here. Okay. Ayun na sila. Alright, let's go home, sis.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Clean.
Big snow. Snow. Ayan, nag-i-snow talaga, guys. Oh my gosh. Wait lang! Hold! Wait for me! So, guys, tapos na akong mag-coffee. Ignore niyo aking face. Oh my gosh, gaan na naman siya. So, si Natalia, nasa kwarto siya. Hindi ko alam kung anong ginagawa niya. Ang tahimik niya. Kaya tignan natin kung anong ginagawa. Diba sabi nila pag tahimik, so may ginagawa. Kaya tignan natin. Pero, huwag kayo mag-judge dahil sobrang kalat ng kwarto nila. Kailangan na naman natin mag-declutter ng mga toys dahil alam niyo na magki-Christmas, may mga gift na naman for them. Ay, nako. So, let's go check her. Ayan, si Ate Kat. Ay, naglalaro siya ng Barbie. Kaya pala tahimik. Kaya pala tahimik siya. Psst. Hi. You're so quiet. Huh? You're so quiet, baby girl. Huh? You're so quiet.
Mom, can I
Para naman akong buntis dito.
have a small Hello Kitty watch?
You want a small Hello
So
Kitty
I
watch?
can see how time it is.
Oh, okay. I'll get you one. Okay. Okay.
No, I want to talk to Santa Claus.
Oh, okay. We'll talk to Santa Claus and then, okay. Ay, tahimik mo kasi, kaya kita chinek eh. Hi guys. So it is 8:44 na ng gabi. And nakalimutan ko na mag-vlog. O tingnan niyo yung pets ko na naman. My golay. Pero hayaan na lang natin yan. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung ginawa ko today. And hindi ko na i-vlog. Oh my goodness. So, ito pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan. Naglagay na ako ng aking ano dito sa aking cabinets. Ayan. Ayan. Pero kulang pa kasi gusto kong lagyan to. And then dito sa dito. And then dito. At saka doon. And then I feel like gusto kong lagyan ng wreath dyan. And yung dito, gusto ko sana lagyan ng wreath. Kaso, hindi magkasya yung aking lalagyanan. Kaya yan, bakante na lang muna siya. And then meron tayo daw Merry Christmas. Pero parang hindi ata makita masyado. Dahil wala, hindi makita. So, ayan pala yung nagagawa ko. And syempre, ayun ang table natin. Makalat pa din. So, ayan, sobrang kalat. And, dun yung hugasan ko. And, nag-dinner na rin mga bagets. Ako hindi pa ako nagda-dinner. Hindi ko alam kung anong kakainin ko. But, mamaya na ako magda-dinner once na tulog na sila and everything. But, yeah. I am so tired. And then, we have another elf on the shelf again tonight. Na, hindi ko alam anong gagawin ko. Guys, tignan nyo yung moon. Tignan nyo. As in, ano siya. Tignan nyo, oh. My gosh, kitang-kita mo yung moon. My Lord. Lord, ang lamig din. My goodness. Guys, by the way, bago ko tapusin yung ginagawa ko sa kitchen, pakita ko sa inyo yung pictures nila Chad, Caleb and Troy. Yung kanilang ano.
Buddy.
Ha?
Aren't you show them?
Oh, show ko na sa inyo si Buddy. Free kisses. So, ito. Pakita ko muna sa inyo si Kuya Chad. Ito yung kanilang fall picture. Ayan. O, diba ang pogi ng bebe ko? Ayan. Si Kuya Chad. Then, si Caleb naman. Ayan. Ayan, ito yung nako, sobrang pogi ni Troy dito. Ay, lahat naman ng anak ko pogi, no? Pero talaga ito, tingnan nyo, itsura niya, oh. 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 Diba? Ang pogi ng bebe ko. What? Are you sleepy?
Yeah.
Ay, paano ba naman? It's 9:23 na, oh. You need to go to bed then. So, yeah. Gusto ko lang pakita sa inyo yung pictures nila. Oh my gosh, I'm so cute. Ang popogi ng mga Junakis ko. The next year, siya naman ang magkakaroon ng fall picture. Ay, o nga pala guys, kinuhaan ko din si Troy ng ornament sa school. This is $5. Hindi ko na kinuhaan si Chad at si Caleb kasi alam niya, ano na sila, 3rd grade at saka 4th grade. So, parang too late na makuhaan sila ng ano, no. So, ito yung ornament ni Troy. Ayan. So, this is, pre-K na ornament niya. Ayan. Tapos may year. O, diba? Ang cute! Sabi pa nga niya, I thank goodness, sabi niya, meron na daw siyang sariling ornament. Ganyan. Kasi, si Chad at saka si Caleb, meron silang ornament with Santa Claus. Nung 2017 pa ito. Ayan. Yan yung ornament nila with Santa Claus. O, diba? Oh. So talagang sabi niya may ornament na daw siya at hindi na daw siya kukuha ng ibang ornament. Batan talaga. But yeah. So yun, pinakita ko na ba sa inyo yung yung aming ornaments namin for family. At yung pinakita ko na sa inyo yung binili namin sa mall, pero hindi ko pinakita yung nasulat na. So pati yung sa aking mother-in-law, I think ilagay ko yung pictures niya dito. Pinicturean ko siya eh. So, ito siya, oh. Ito yung ayan, yung may mga name na, ayan. O, diba? So, every year yan. So, pupunain natin ng ornaments, itong natin every year. Pero alam nyo ba, ito pinaka-favorite ko talaga. Ayan yung 2020 quarantine ornament. Yan yung pinaka-favorite ko. Kasi parang ang cute kasi tignan. So, yeah. Anyways, let's continue what we're doing. Na-distract na naman, ano? Sige, mamaya na ulit. So, guys. Alam niyo ba kung anong oras na? Nakikita niyo ba yan? 1:14 na. So, natapos ko yung aking elf on the shelf, pero sobrang easy lang ng ginawa ko. Ito siya. Wala siyang hat. So, tinanggal ko yung hat niya kasi invisible siya. So, hindi ko na video yung paano ko siya ginawa kasi sobrang easy lang ng ginawa ko. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung ginawa ko. And pagkatapos ito, ako'y matutulog na. So, ayan. Can you guys see me? Dahil invisible siya. Ayan.